Lexi.
Lexi. Come on, Lexi.
And she's not truly even leash broken.
Oh yeah, that's
Good
pretty
girl,
obvious.
Lexi. Good girl. Whoop. Good girl. Good girl. Come here, Lexi. Yes. Oh. Good girl. Lexi. Are you getting anything?
Yeah, I'm getting what she's giving me. That's
Good girl.
that's the best I can do, right, Richard?
That's where you can't get any more than she gives you.
Yep.
Good girl.
I'm a sucker for a strong headpiece, Richard.
Good girl.
She's moving good for you.
Oh. Where? Yes. Come back this way. Good girl. Ah! I don't know where you're going. Do you think you got it good enough?
Neither.
I got as good as what she's giving me, baby.
All right, that's good enough then.
Her side movement looks real nice.
I will let you go on this side.
It doesn't look like she's favoring anything or trying to compensate for anything. It looks like she just glides.
She's pretty good.
Good girl.
That was good.
No, you cannot have my pant leg. And he does not want you to get his feet.
Oh, that was pretty.
Yeah.
That's so
Good
pretty.
girl. Who's walking who, she says.
And get her from the side too, Suze.
Good girl. Head up. It's like a feeling the other night.
But you know, it's amazing how dogs can read people's body language.
Oh yeah.
And the dog knew that she was scared, and the dog knew that that person was a threat, and he just acted on that.
I don't know if it was a pit or an American bulldog on Wednesday, but as we were going to get our haircuts, this dog was wandering around the streets. And if we'd have called him, he'd have come to us, I'm sure.
She says I'm tired of this stuff.
Watch out. Don't tumble down the hill.
Oh, is it getting you?
Let's see those eyes. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Boopy boopy. I thought I was recording. I wasn't. Recording now.
That was pretty.
If she was another color and had two colors, the two eyes the same color.
Oh, Mooney would be the same way. If Mooney had some color, she'd be tearing him up in the show ring.
Good girl. You tripped over your own feet there. Two.
Okay, that's good.
And down and back. Or side.
Be careful down the hill.
Good girl.
You know, next time we do this, I'm gonna bring that little tripod that I have, so I can set the
Steady.
camera
Down.
as close to ground level as possible.
Yeah. That's good, hun.
Okay.